Is DJ Marley Moore here. I will be playing Xbox Game Pass. There you go. I'll be playing Gears of War campaign mode. Let's get into it. And yeah, recording it on the Samsung Note 10, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, non 5G. So this is not a 5G phone, so you could play with this if you don't have a 5G phone. It's the 512 gigabytes of storage. It's the whole enchilada of the Note 10 Plus, except it's just not a 5G phone. That's the only thing that's missing. But yeah, enough of my speaking. I'm gonna play Gears of War 5. I was doing campaign mode. I think recently, but not recently. Excuse me, a long time ago. But oh, look at that! Sweet. It's kind of loud. Move on a little bit. And I think I'm gonna do a little bit of campaign and a little bit of story mode and a little bit of the multiplayer. I usually play Gears of War 3 on my cell phone. On my 360.
Gears 5. Press A button or enter key to play.
But I feel like I should start playing 4 and 5. And show you guys. Alright. I'm signed in. DJ Marley Moore, as you saw. Gotta move this screen before you guys can't see it, but it's in my way. My screen. Okay. So.
Main menu. Campaign. Enter the campaign alone. Though you can invite a friend to your campaign later. Weekly update. Item 1 of 3. Weekly update, Operation 8 Drop 2 is live. New characters, Armored Alicia and Varric, Last Stand Oscar, and the Rager. New maps, Village and Dawn. Versus of main menu, campaign, enter the campaign, original campaign, Act 2, creating lobby, please wait, start like game,
10 minutes.
Button, start campaign. Menu button. Quick action menu, left Kate, item 2 of 10. Loading 00.
Sweet.
Loading.
Mic check, just in case you guys can't hear me.
Loading.
I'm a little tired. Oh, look at that.
Hey kids, you out of there?
Yeah. Did Baird get anything out of that data?
Plenty. Right before the last of the scientists left New Hope, someone sent them a message from a lab in Mount Kadar, formerly known as Locust Central.
Okay.
Investigate the camp.
Plenty of fighting in that place. This is the first I've heard of any lab.
Well, that's good, right? For us?
If you say so. Problem is, the message's origin point was scrambled.
Okay then. We track the message back to the source. To whatever comm towers are passed through.
Search for the comm towers.
There's always a reason we keep you around. Just head out and see if you can find any towers to start the trail back.
Search for the comm
Okay,
towers.
Will do.
These are awesome graphics, though. It's a lot better than my 360. Okay. Oh, okay. We're going on this little machine again. Awesome. Sweet.
So, these comm towers, where do we
What do I
find
do
them?
this?
We'll need higher ground. I say we make our way east.
I forgot how to drive. Oh, there you go. Right trigger. Oh no. super cool. I hope I'm going the right way. He said east, right? Yeah, this is east. This is southeast. As I see in the middle. This is south. He said east. Oh, windy. I believe you could feel the vibration too.
Wait. What the hell is this? Another security gate?
Find a way to open the large gate.
Alright.
How many goddamn gates are we gonna find out here? Jack, see what I can do.
TikTok for liking my video.
There it goes! No, the old cog didn't get enough credit for its advances in big gate technology.
I don't need it.
Or it got exactly enough credit. Come on, let's get in there and unjam it.
Oh, I can't take this shit.
Okay.
Long shot. Oh god.
Gotta check up here.
Shit! Kate! Snipers up top!
All right, we clear them out. Then we deal with the gate.
Defeat the swarm.
Oh shit. Nice. Oh, more. Where's he at? I don't even see him. Oh, the heck is that?
Oh man, I'm hurt! I'm bleeding out!
What am I doing? Where's the bot? He's going. No.
Get over here!
You're okay. Target that sniper. Gotta be kidding me. Dead.
Frag out!
guy's name? Beard? No, it's not Beard. It's into the sniper. Bleeding out! I'm bleeding out! Flip and get out.
Check him out.
Stupid sniper. Where's the other one? How come I don't see him?
Got another one.
Finally. Let's go for another guy. You missed. Ah, he got me. It's not easy because he would have took me out. He would have took me out.
Okay, we got them all. And let's deal with this cake situation.
Oh, the sniper. Can we come back?
So, what do you think we're gonna find on the other side of this thing?
Hopefully, the truth.
The truth. Where we go? I thought someone was opening the door. So what do we do next? Okay. Is there a button? Is there a button? I have a button, man. Come on. Really? Maybe I have to go up this side, but there was no entrance. What the fudge? Come on. Really? Oh, there's something over there. What the heck is that? I'm confused. I forgot how to play.